Hey, and welcome back to another video. So what we have here today is a retro unboxing of this brand new Motorola Evoke QA4 from 2009. Now the Evoke was a mid-range, or I'd say lower mid-range phone from Motorola back in 2009, running a proprietary OS, and it retailed for about $279 off contract, but it was available on Cricket and Alltell, as you can see here. It is from Alltell Wireless. Alltell Wireless no longer exists. It was absorbed into AT&T, I think in 2016, but this particular unit was on the Alltell Wireless, but this phone was also available on Cricket Wireless. So about $279 off contract, and with the contract, I'm not sure, I couldn't find any information online. However, this phone is brand new and we'll be unboxing it here today. I will of course take a quick look at what it's like, and also I'll do a full retro style review on this phone in a few weeks time. So this is the retro unboxing of the Motorola Evoke QA4 here in 2022. And as always, before jumping right in, don't forget to smash that like button down below, as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section below as well. We can start a discussion or I can answer your questions. My social media is linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. And now let's jump right into this unboxing. So here's the original listing for this particular phone, and there were two other phones. The other one is a Motorola EX123, I think, I forgot what it was called, and a generic, I think, unbranded or unknown branded phone. The whole lot was just $5, but it was $16 for shipping, but it shipped with UPS, so that was kind of unnecessary. It could have been cheaper to just ship it with USPS instead, but the seller had set it up for UPS. It could have been like $6 or $7 shipping via USPS instead of UPS. So yeah, I guess it is what it is. The total was about $21 or something like that. So for a brand new phone, and two, I think the EX123 is not heavily used. It is used, but it's heavily used. And the generic phone, I think, is brand new too. But this one is the one that caught my eye. So now let's unbox this thing and see what's up. So at the front, let's of course go over the box first. At the front, as you can see, there's a picture of the phone. By the way, this is a slider phone, and I'll show you that in a bit. We have the original Walmart price over there. It's all like shaved off, as you can see there, so you can't really see the price now, but I don't think it said $279, so it's probably a different price, or the price that it was with the Alltel wireless network. It says Motorola Evoke QA4 over there, large touchscreen display, 2-megapixel camera with video, ultra intuitive user interface, MP3 player, Bluetooth, expandable memory slot, Motorola branding. And by the way, this phone is not ultra rare, but it is quite uncommon. I call it uncommon. It's not something that's sold a lot, but it is not rare, but I'd say it's a bit harder to find. Let's put it like that. So that makes it even better at this price, which was 20 divided by 3, whatever that is, for each phone. And yeah, so this is the side of the box. As you can see, we have Alltel stuff, Motorola stuff over there. The box contents over there as well. Top of the box, we have what seems to be, I think this is from Goodwill. This looks like a Goodwill sticker. So this phone in brand new condition was sold at Goodwill, I guess. This kind of looks like a Goodwill sticker, but yeah, whatever. More stuff, more information, blah, 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 blah on that side. At the bottom, the serial number and stuff and all that stuff, I've covered that up. And again, back to there. This is the back of the box. As you can see, Music Connect, Messages, and the Alltel shop and stuff like that. So let us keep this down and open the box and see what's up. So opening the box, there's the phone itself. So let us take that out and leave it to a side for now. See what else is in the box. So this is 100% brand new. So we have a charging cable, so micro USB Motorola charging cable, pretty nice. Let's keep that to the side. We have the battery, which is a BT60, so BT60 battery. We have Motorola Evoke. We have some guides here. So Motorola Evoke QA4, quick start guide. This is in Spanish, this is in English. We have recycling information and warranty and all that stuff. And yeah, and what is that? So, it has, I think this thing has no headphone jack. Yeah, this thing has no headphone jack. So there's a micro USB to a headphone adapter in the box, so that's nice. So yeah, another phone without a headphone jack. That's interesting, because these days a lot of people complain saying that, oh, modern phones don't have headphone jacks. There were a few phones in the past, including the first ever Android phone, the T-Mobile G1, that didn't have a headphone jack, and you had to either get one of these or use proprietary headphones. So there you go. So there's another phone without a headphone jack. Navigate Life, Alltell, and some information over there. So let's go ahead and keep the box to the side and take a closer look at the star of the show here. Alright, so here is the device, and I already put a battery in this to save time. I didn't turn it on yet though. So I'm not going to take the sticker off. I'm going to keep it as new as possible because I'll be using this for display purposes later. I might get another one later, but for now we'll just keep the sticker on here. The rubber at the back kinda has started to get that sticky-ish to it. It's not really sticky at all, but I feel it's getting there. But now I can actually do something about it and keep it at a constant temperature so the rubber doesn't get all screwy. And it's got the Alltell logo. Still, it's got like a blue film over the Motorola logo. So it is a slider, like I said. There you go. Got this sunken-in keyboard. Though it looks like it's not really tactile and stuff, it is actually quite tactile and quite nice. Let me bring it closer. It's actually quite nice and quite tactile, and you can actually feel the buttons are textured. The 2s, the 5s, and 8s, they're all textured, so you can actually feel it. So I really like the keyboard on this thing. It's a bit unique. But as you can see, it is in a smaller form factor. When it closes, it is towards the smaller side. And weirdly, we have two identical phones here, the Motorola V80 and the Samsung Beat DJ, as you can see here, identically shaped. And I put these phones on the frame just to compare them. Now, of course, the V80 is a swivel phone, and this thing has an AMOLED display and it's a bar phone. I don't think this has an AMOLED. No, this is an IPS LCD display, but it's still quite interesting to see. We have a bar, we have a slider, and we have a swivel in an identical closed form factor like that. So as you can see, they're pretty identical in shape, sort of an oval, a longer oval shape. So yeah, let us now go ahead and take a closer look at this thing. So on the front, as you can see, pretty minimalist Motorola logo over there. It's got that slight film. Or is that the logo just being blue? I can't tell. I think it's got a sticker over it. Yeah. And the display over there was a single home button and microphone over here. Slide it up. We have the keyboard. And moving on to this side, we have the lock switch. So up to lock, down to unlock. Camera shutter button. Let's see. Okay, so it's not an autofocus camera, so it's only single press to take a photo. No half press to focus and then full press to take the photo. On this side, we have your volume rockers, and this is the back of the phone. It's metal, so that's nice to see. It's a metal back, that part at least. This part is plastic. You have a single camera there, no flash, Alltell, the speaker over here, Motorola logo. Let's go ahead and see if this thing powers on. Okay, so it does power on. This is not its original battery. Its battery's here. It's probably dead after all these years, but I have a fully charged battery in there. Let's see. It's loading. Let's give it some time here. Okay, so it's almost done loading, and it did take quite a while to load. Let's say if, I don't know, 30 seconds, a bit more than 30 seconds. Still loading. There we go. It's the Alltell intro. I've never heard that before. Warning, invalid battery. Okay, so the battery is not exact. It's a Motorola battery. I don't know why it doesn't like that battery. Whatever. And now the reviews had said that this OS is pretty crap. So let's see. Yeah, I got a bit of stutter there. Okay, it's a capacitive touchscreen, not really sensitive. I mean, we have a sticker over it, so let's not complain. But oh, okay. I don't think the sticker honestly makes a difference. So yeah, the OS is probably a bit crappy. I don't think it's the display. But yeah, it was a budget phone. Well, let's say, I wouldn't call it budget, mid-range, lower mid-range, maybe upper lower end, if that makes any sense. So buttons, there you go. So this is a single home button there. When you press it, of course, it's going to turn off the phone. That is the power button slash the home button. When you press and hold, it turns off the phone. It's got a backlight over there, so you can see pretty decently bright backlight. And let me bring it closer. I think after years of sitting, this has a single line, as you can see. If you look closely at the battery indicator, there's a line running through it, and the bell icon over there, there's a line of dead pixels. So yeah, after years and years of sitting, are those all dead pixels? Wait. Yeah, I think, is this the sticker that we're seeing? Could it be dead pixels or just the sticker? Or is that the wallpaper? Yeah, those are all dead pixels. Look at that. Look at the browser, or look at the Alltell shop. See? Those lines are all dead pixels. So there's a bunch of them all over the place. So yeah, years and years of disuse has not done this phone really well. It was quite dusty as well, as you can see. There's a bit of dust on everything. So it's been sitting in less than ideal conditions. So yeah, there's dead pixels, as you can see on the icons. There's a bunch of dead pixels, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dead pixels. Or 6 lines of dead pixels. So that's not good. But yeah, either way, that's what you can expect from a phone that's probably not been stowed very well. But yeah, that's all I can say for the unboxing. We'll do a retro style review on this phone in the coming week. So definitely stay tuned for that by hitting the subscribe button. I'll probably get a different one as well to do reviews on. I'll just lock this one away. It's a brand new one, so I'll go on eBay, find it. There was a few of them, I think. They're decently cheap, but they're not that common, so I better go get one. But yeah, as usual, thanks for watching, and if you honestly like this video, don't forget to smash that like button down below, as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below and I can answer your questions, or we can start a discussion. My social media is linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video.